Onam, the festival of joy and happiness. On the day of Onam, Millie and Ginny, two sisters, were decorating the Pookalam. Ginny was the older sister. Since Millie was the younger sister, she called Ginny Chechi, meaning older sister. Happy Onam, Millie. Happy Onam, Chechi. Chechi, what is Onam? Onam is a festival celebrated in Kerala. Onam is celebrated to welcome the arrival of the great king Mahabali. It is also said to mark the harvest season for Kerala. Means we thank God for all the crops, food, vegetables we eat. Onam is a time for the farmers to enjoy their harvest. It celebrates the hard work of our farmers. This festival lasts for 10 days and is celebrated with great splendor. Chechi, how do we celebrate Onam? Onam celebrations include Vallam Kali, that is boat races, Pulli Kali, that is tiger dances, Pookalam, that is flower rangoli, which we are doing now, Tumbi Tulal, which is a woman's dance, Chechi, I saw Ma preparing many vegetarian dishes today. Yes, that is Onam sadhya, a feast consisting of 9 or more vegetarian dishes served on a banana leaf. Eating Onam sadhya is an important part of the festival. Also, Millie, people from all religions celebrate Onam together. Ginny, Millie, come, let's eat sadhya together. Wow, Chechi, mom is calling. Let's go to eat sadhya.
Happy Onam, everyone!